Do you know you can browse free on Surfline? Yes, it's possible for you to enjoy the fastest 4G LTE data service in Ghana at no charge. All you have to do is invite your family and friends to join. Follow the following steps. On your mobile device, dial *718 *77#. On the welcome screen, reply by pressing 1 to enter your Surfline number. If you forget your Surfline number, you can press 2. After entering your Surfline number, you'll be taken to a menu listing all you can do. Select option 5 to generate your referral code. Upon recipient of your referral code, share it with your friends and family. Once 2 of your connections join the Surfline service using your code at the point of device activation, you automatically receive a cool 50 cedis in your cash wallet to buy internet to browse for free. For more information, reach out on our social media platforms or give us a call on 0302 745 777. You can also email us at info@surflinegh.com. The future is bright. The future is Surfline.
Surfline. It's about time.